Hello everyone, welcome to another part of the Star Trek video playlist, and this time we will take a look at the Galaxy class USS Enterprise D. So without further ado, let's go straight into Creo. Okay, here we are, and this is the model. I will be frank with you. The Galaxy class was never my favorite, and I didn't originally even wanted to make this model, but for the sake of the completion of my collection of the Enterprises, I decided to go for it. And that also means that this is certainly not my best model. I would even go that far that I would say it is one of the worst that I made. So now we will take a look. It is done in exactly the same way as all the previous ones. So it is divided into saucer, secondary hull, and the nacelles. And now we will take a look at how they all go together. So the saucer, and we have one half opening for the pins. So yeah, the standard 10 by 10 pins and one very big 20 by 14 pins. Then of course we will attach the second half, and now all the various details. Yeah, so here the dark ones, then here the bronze one or gold one, and last but not least the name. Sorry, no, I forgot that we also have these blue pieces, and now the name. Yeah, and that's it, the saucer is done. Now the secondary hull. Okay, so once again we have this half, pins, second half, and now we will attach all the details. Yeah, so first this big piece of the hull, then the golden or bronze pieces, then the dark pieces, which is this, serving also as a connector, impulse, and the hangar base. And last but not least, the dish itself. And that's the secondary hull. And as you can see here, we have a lock, and the saucer has the corresponding lock, so the two hulls go together. And the nacelles. So we have this, then corresponding corresponding pieces. Now, as you can see, they are not attached together, but now they will be clicked by this piece. And from the back by this piece. Then we will attach the front and insert the blue pieces, and last but not least the Bazzard collectors, and they have the same plugging system as all the previous ships, so yeah, so they go together like that. And as you can see here, we have a port, and that is for the stand with the corresponding informations. And that's it. So now we will take a look at the actual print. And here we are, and here is the model. As I said, not the best, and even the print kind of suggests that. And this is a prototype, so on this I fine-tuned the model. One of the things that I kind of screwed up is the connection between the secondary and the saucer. As you can see, it is together, but now it is very tight, and pulling the two out would be very difficult, so I don't intend to do that. What I do, or what I did, is adjusted the 3D files, so when you will print it, you will have no issues, and and the two parts will be fitted very nicely, but will be easy to detach. My bad. Considering I don't really like Galaxy, I don't really want to reprint that. Another thing which I did is in this prototype to have the phaser straps separate. I abandoned that because they are very small, and the model is small overall, and they are really a pain in the ass to attach. Also, for some reason I have here this gap, but that doesn't really bother me from the bottom or from the front. Yeah. Looks like that, and I don't think it's that bad. Yeah, so yeah, this is my Galaxy Class Enterprise D. As I said, not the best model, but I have it, and now I can focus on the F. Okay, hope you at least somewhat liked it, and we will see each other in the next video. Have a very nice day, and bye bye.